Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja Trader 8. And there is a system traded globally by traders of all levels, from beginner to hedge fund manager. So here we go. Price at the market open. Price reached critical key target. Precise entry, stop and target in front of you. When the price at the bold red line, you do not buy. You look to short. This is how the alert looks like. This is extremely important event. Why? Pay attention, please. As price reached critical key reversal zone. This is where price becomes unpredictable. This is where intelligent trader exits short. In the course you learn, decision point 2 is a critical target. If it's to the upside or it's to the downside. Again, institutions keep buying the market. Intelligent trader not surprised. Intelligent trader never shorts near this level. Intelligent trader shorts bold red line. With ultimate precision, ultimate rules apply. And that's stunning, flawless Alpha Fibonacci chess. You utilize your brilliant, intelligent brain. You're not gambling, you're not chasing markets. You're strategizing, and you know quite well, before market open, what institutions do versus retail traders. This is junky weak bearish pullback as expected. That reminds you, ultimate reminder, do not speculate, know where to exit your short. Correct? And what the price doing in front of you at this level is a key moment this morning. We need drastically more powerful bearish pullback. If not, trading will become extremely challenging as price stuck at retail brick wall. But again and again and again, it's coming from reversal zone. And that's ultimate Alpha Fibonacci chess. And that's ultimate reminder. Understand where Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone is and look to buy from. That's it. So this is the worst possible case scenario if market is not pulling back. We would love to see market at this level. But again and again and again, this chart been present in front of you for days and days and days. So if I convert this chart to 5, you are not surprised where buyers came from. You are not surprised what's playing out in front of you. If I convert this chart to 10, to 15, to any chart you choose to trade, bullish rally zone. Institutions keep buying the market. We would love for the price to collapse as low as possible. That would be amazing thing. If not, market will be mess. And that's how you test it every single day. For ultimate precision. For ultimate intelligent, limitless brain, you need to exercise every single time you place a trade. So if you look to buy, you buy as low as possible, and you understand what institutions do. Overextended bullish rally is on and on and on. Sellers are worthless. This requires ultimate skill to trade. That's it. Software projected on one, trades play out on multiple charts in front of you. This is 10. Let's go to 3. Let's go to any chart. No software required. This you can trade across all platforms. Because if JP Morgan traders can, if 14-year-old can, so can you. In front of you, in the live markets, ultimate precision. That's it. We knew where to expect reversal well before market open. So when you're using your brilliant brain and you're strategizing, you're trading markets as Alpha Fibonacci chess. That's it. But again and again and again. If I take you back to 15-minute chart, by a day before, this was the market on January 30th. Right here in front of you. But price failed to break through 4,058. And if I go back by another day, 127. Market selling off, moving to the downside. And you know with ultimate precision what to follow. As exact same thing plays out in front of you right now. This is predictive precision of institutional Alpha Fibonacci system I developed in 2008. System traded globally by institutional traders, hedge fund managers, and day traders and retail traders. You use your limitless brain, you strategizing, and you understanding the simplicity each and every trade. So again and again and again, if price remains stuck here, market will be a major mess. We need sell-off, we need a crash. Until then, respect and understand. Bullish push overextended. You knew this far in advance on any chart you choose to trade. And that's the power of predictive precision of Alpha Fibonacci system in front of you every single day. So if the price collapses to here, it's a gift. If not, market will be brutal mess. When the price stuck in brutal mess, intelligent trader working away. No gambling here. Do you know how to separate major mess from spectacular markets? Do you understand that this plays out at least 40 to 80% of the time? Do you understand how to manage overextended institutional rallies? Do you? Do you understand months in advance that this will be war zone at the time of FOMC tomorrow? You knew this many months in advance. So let me bring you back so you can understand why 38,600 is lifeline for the market. I'm taking you back to that event. September 2022 as S&P remains a major mess. Here comes predictive Alpha Fibonacci system on September 1st, 2022. We're discussing with students institutional longs waiting to be filled at this level. Market been bought at this level since 2020. You are not shorting into. Rates are being raised, inflation skyrocketing. Here we go. Market last week of September. Price reaches this level. You understand quite well. Shorting into is not an option. No software required, just your brilliant, intelligent brain who understands where institutional orders waiting to be filled. So when I teach traders how to manage multi-million and billion-dollar position with Alpha Fibonacci system, I teach my retail traders exact same thing. This is what chart looks like by the end of October. How is it possible? Inflation worse, rates are skyrocketing and price skyrocketing? Of course. Bearish markets require ultimate skill to trade. But to the upside, price failing time and time again. This is what market looks like by the end of November. No surprise here before the crash. So when I worked in Johns Hopkins research and psychiatry, I witnessed the importance of colors on human brain. This is why this level is so important. This so bright pink, market collapsing again. This is a place you short from. This is not the place you buy. Complete sell-off is on. If you can drive, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci System. But exact same thing playing out in front of you right now. To the tick. I love projecting charts on 1 minute chart. So you see instantly ultimate institutional precision in front of you in the live markets. So when you're riding institutional power, you're extremely well prepared. You are glued to the screen. This is where trading is a bliss. When you're taking positions with institutions. What you will do tomorrow will be ultimate test of your knowledge of the markets. Because huge conflict is on. It's extremely easy to trade at 3600. Nothing easy about trading this. That's it. Market in brutal pain. Do you know where pain is? Do you know how to separate brutal, nasty markets from spectacular markets? Or are you still chasing lucky point and lucky indicator? If hedge fund traders don't do that, why in the world do you? Do you still have poverty mentality? Do you still chase lucky point? Or do you use your proactive, strategic, intelligent brain? Do you live and breathe as top 1% does? I don't know anything less. That's what I teach. To exercise your limitless brain and to think as a billion-dollar trader. Simplicity is a crucial part. Rules are the key. Institutions keep buying the market. The fact that price is not collapsing lower, the fact that price skyrocketing from this level is a problem. Major problem. This is terrible, disastrous chart. Confirms vertical institutional rally is on. Tomorrow will be war zone. My students will do just fine. That's it. Pure and simple. Bullish rally is on. Market not selling off. And we knew quite well why. But again and again and again, when I work with you in private mentoring, I assess you very carefully because not everyone meant to be a day trader. So if not, use your intelligent, brilliant brain once a day, once an hour, once a week. Can you do that? Did you know where to exit Bitcoin? Do you understand what will happen on Bitcoin tomorrow? Do you know how to trade this? Or have you lost 70% of your account on Bitcoin? I received enough tragic calls where traders on the other line crying, I wish I listened to you. November 21st, I declare Bitcoin will crash. But again and again and again, you need to know how price moves. You need to respect the rules. Price moves one step at a time. This is Lifeline on Bitcoin, this level. So here we are, year and a half later. You did not lose 70% of your portfolio. You have 0% being bottom, 95%. You're using your magnificent intelligent brain. Correct? And what to do next with Bitcoin? You are prepared quite well. So as war zone on S&P remains, as price stuck in massive chop, let's keep reviewing other instruments, shall we? So if you cannot afford to lose 70 million on Bitcoin, remember Super Bowl 2022, where Tom Brady kept promoting Bitcoin? Oops. Exact same people who provide security on Bitcoin, hacking Bitcoin non-stop. So, one moment please. Here we go. 8 billion hack on Bitcoin. These guys lived right next door to New York Stock Exchange. And if you cannot afford to lose 6 billion on Bitcoin in one day, use your brilliant, intelligent brain. If you cannot use 1 trillion, as Amazon have done this year, use your brilliant, magnificent brain. There is no safe haven in Amazon. It does not exist. But exact same thing is played out on Amazon right now. Where Amazon reversed from is what played out on S&P. But again and again and again, you did not get hurt. You exited your long on Amazon in November 2021. I exited my long positions. I discussed with students my trades. That's it, pure and simple. Can you do that? Have you entered Amazon at this level? Have you exited long at this level? Have you used your brilliant, intelligent brain? There is no safe haven in news, in indicators and earnings. Safe haven lies in you. Why do you keep underestimating yourself? I promise you, you can trade with simplicity. I promise you, you can trade anything you choose. Because every single time I work or speak with beginner traders, it shows and confirms the sky's the limit if you use your brilliant, intelligent brain. So when a hedge fund manager in London bringing his son to the course and Andy manages multi-million-dollar retirement portfolio, he has zero interest in day trading, but Dominic becomes obsessed. He delivers this after a couple of weeks in the course. It all starts with using your limitless brain and play by the rules. It all continues with separating junky markets from spectacular ones. Because if complete beginners can do this, anyone can. You decide what you want to trade. It is absolutely your choice. Here's another very important email and another very important reminder. Do not ever place 100% of your portfolio on the retirement account in a single stock, please. Richard came to me, retired oncologist, saying I need to retire. Trading your system, not a problem. Completely different instrument. And that's how traders trade globally, all over the world. Any instrument, any time frame. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. So let's review Tesla, shall we? So yes, this lady is quite something else. She's not just down on Coinbase 90%. She is down on Tesla. Non-stop. Oops. That's horrific trade as Tesla kept collapsing until not. So when Richard and I connect, of course he's buying reversal at the bottom. He's doing just fine. Sell-off on Tesla since October 21 is no surprise. And that's a lesson on using your brilliant limitless brain. There is no safe haven. Markets will become more volatile. And when our students firing financial advisors and when hedge fund traders in the course, of course you can trade it all. CEO is one of my favorite students. He's been coming to classes 2 o'clock in the morning. He's trading everything. Forex, absolutely. Crypto, yes. Futures, absolutely. What else do you learn? You learn to hold your large position, knowing quite well where to exit. This is a trader who competes in world trading competition. Can you do that? If these traders all over the world can, so can you. From 14 to 90-year-old. So as Tesla keeps reversing and we're setting up for spectacular bullish rally, you must absolutely know where to enter, where to exit. Trading on the news will never work. Using your brilliant, limitless, magnificent brain does. And it all starts with mastering the mess, mastering horrific, nasty markets. Only when you stop trading brokers heaven, only when you stop paying for your broker's vacations, only when you stop thinking and stop 95% does, you can become successful. The skies are the limit. Let's look on oil and events of the last year to tomorrow's oil news. Here's oil, ladies and gentlemen. Oil stuck and sold off despite the war. Remember, war is on. Remember, it's getting much worse. As I'm on calls with Dubai and Moscow. As my friends from my hometown leaving, losing their families, losing everything. Oil collapsed despite the war. To the upside, oil is struggling to break through this level. But again and again and again you knew this far in advance. And when I traveled to London, this is the reason I live and breathe what I do. I'm obsessed with my work. I'm obsessed with Fibonacci. So please, if you're done gambling and you're ready to trade with quality and you're ready to live and breathe as top 1% does, I look forward working with you. It all starts with knowing when not to trade, when not to lose money. In the trading room, you're witnessing ultimate precision and ultimate simplicity. So please review all the information on the website. You can always join us in the trading room. Listen to students' podcasts, view students' emails I receive. Choose from Lifetime System for all platforms or Lifetime software for Ninja Trader 8. I teach you how to trade markets as intelligent, strategic, predictive Alpha Fibonacci chess. Savings $8,000 for private mentoring. That includes it all. Lifetime system and lifetime software for Ninja Trader 8. Video library modules, group class, trading room, all included. Second package, the most popular package. Savings $5,000. Please click on this and you will see even more. So this will not continue for too long. I prepare a very big event this year for students and graduates of the course. And again and again and again, when you click View Students' Performance, you will see how traders trade. Because if Richard can do this, trading multi-million-dollar account, so can you. If Theo can do this, so can you. Every trader different instrument, every trader different time frame. Tens of thousands of emails. I cannot upload them all. But again, as I spoke yesterday with Pablo, a complete beginner trader who came to the course, he never pushed a button in his life. He doubles, triples, and quadruples accounts non-stop. He trades markets as intelligent trader does. So please review everything on the website. And if you would like to make $17.80 for every dollar you invest with Alpha Fibonacci System 76% success rate, of course you can. It all starts with simplicity. And that's our global community from all over the world. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much.